Hi guys, my name is Clifton and welcome to Concrete, my home improvement and consulting channel. We are once again back to my brother's house, where we're busy creating a home gym for him. Just quickly, please subscribe to my channel and remember to click on the notification bell so you won't miss anything. In my previous video, I showed you how to hang mirrors on a wall. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble and mount a fan on the wall. So let's start. For Daniel's home gym, we decided on a 30-inch industrial oscillation fan. There's a lot of fans available that you can choose from, so just visit your local appliance store and choose one that can work for you. Now there's a lot of steps you need to follow to install the fan correctly. So let's start with the first one. Firstly, let's start by selecting the appropriate location. Daniel wants the fan mounted in the corner of the gym. This location is perfect for this area. Also remember to leave enough space for the fan to move left and right. Plus minus 2 meters from the corner is perfect. You should also keep in mind the length of the electrical cord provided. Luckily, there's an electrical point exactly where we need it. If you don't have an electrical point nearby, the simple and easiest way is to use an extension and an electrical point. Next, we're going to drill the holes. Mark the places where you want to drill the holes which match the holes of the base. Once you've done, drill the holes with a 10mm drill bit. Insert your expansion bolts which is applied with the fan into the holes together with the base and tighten them. Then fit a pole inside the base and tighten the base locking screw. Now fit the motor housing to the pole and then tighten with the 2 neck screws provided. Okay, now the main body is assembled. Now only for the blades and the grill itself. Line the rear grill on the motor and fix it using the screws you have just removed. Loosen the blade screw, slide the blade into the motor shaft, replace the blade screw and tighten. Center the front grill with the logo by lining it so that it is horizontal and parallels to the floor. Snap the grill clips down to secure it. Then tighten the grill locking screw on the bottom of the grill. Alright, let's go to the last step. Remember that the cord doesn't obstruct any moving parts of the fan. The cord can be tied to the pole using a cable tie. Also, switch the fan off before you do any adjustments. There you go. It looks perfect and it looks great. Also, check the video description down below. We have added a full list of all the parts and tools you need for this job. Daniel, come check it out. What do you think?
Yes, Clifton. This is exactly what I wanted. Thank you.
Yeah, I mean, it's beautiful.
Yeah, but the only thing now, I would love to have a TV mounted right here. Would you be able to do that?
No problem.
Awesome. Awesome. I'm gonna test this thing out.
Yeah, go for it. So guys, yes, you guessed right. Daniel needs some more work to be done.
Yeah.
So check out our next video, how to mount TV on the wall. Remember, keep it simple.